earnestly grateful for the recognition I have received for all my years of hard work, sacrifice, and achievement. I have faced several challenges on my journey, but each struggle has only strengthened me to make me the person I am today. Winning this award would not have been possible without the support I have received from the Government of Goa, Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, Sports Authority of India, Sports Authority of Goa, and Taekwondo Association of Goa. So today I accept this award with a promise to also win a gold medal for Goa at 36 National Games to be hosted in Goa, and to continue winning medals for Goa and India in Taekwondo and make India proud at the Olympics.
As far as sports in Goa is concerned, it is definitely on the rise. If you see Indian cricket history, all the top cricketers of Indians have KAR. That is Goa or better Goa. It is Gavaskar, Venksankar, you will find their original 400 years back till Portuguese drove them out.
Not born in Goa.
No, they may not be born in Goa, they are Goans by genetics. So I think if we take the genetic pool of Goa, then we have so many cricketers. You take almost Tendulkar, all Kurds are Goa. So basically that is the potential of this state. I think we should also push up further the Sardesai Trophy, Dilip Sardesai Trophy to a higher pedestal.
बाप दिलीप सरदेसाय आणि त्यावेळी इंटरनॅशनल क्रिकेट खेळून आपल्या आणि गोंयचें नांव काडलें. बाप सरदेसाय म्हणटा म्हाज्याच वाड्यांतलो, मडगांव म्हाज्या वाड्यार रावपी. आज हांव स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर जाता आनी हो अवॉर्ड सरदेसायच्या नांवान दिवपाक म्हाका जी मनांतल्यान खुशी जाल्या. खरेंच म्हाजें भाग्य म्हणटा स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर जावप, तें दिवपाक म्हाका मेळटा. आनी स्टार्टूय हांवें केल्लें. स्टार्ट जेन्ना रवींद्र भवनान पयलो कार्यक्रम जाल्लो तेन्नाय राजदीप आसलेले, तुमची सरदेसायची मिसेसय आसली, तेन्ना हो कार्यक्रम तेंचे वयल्यान हांवें स्टार्ट केल्लो. आनी हो खरोच एक स्फूर्ती दिवपाक जो आसा सरदेसाय अवॉर्डाचो. आमची भुरगीं अशेंच तयार जावपाक जाय.
We are very happy today that the awardee, the present day awardee, has also taken or borrowed these instincts from Dilip Bap in its full measure. You have seen his career all along. Out of 3 Lusophonia, he played 2 Lusophonia held in Portugal and Goa in 2014 and clinched bronze medal for India Goa. Apart from having represented at the proper Asian Games twice, again perhaps the only Goan in games like Taekwondo, individual sport to have done that. So we immensely appreciate the excellent work being done by Taekwondo Association of Goa, and they have proved their mettle in clinching Dilip Sardesai Award.